made the absolutely grueling drive, mammoth drive it was, from Palm Cove to Ellis Beach oceanfront bungalows. It was about 6 minutes. It was pretty cool. But it has been raining for the past 2 days, unfortunately, so we've been trying to make the absolute most of it while we are here. And it's meant to be raining for the next week, so I think we're gonna have a bit of downtime and see how we go, and then on to Cape Trib from here. But we will show you anything that we might do while we were here. I'm not sure it's gonna be much, but we'll show you around. Damn, I missed it! Yes!
I was not ready for that. Did you tell him?
No, I didn't tell him anything, and I can't believe I missed it. Oh my goodness. We're at Thala Beach Nature Reserve. It is filled with these amazing palm trees that are all lined up. It is so stunning. We've had some fun running through them, taking some photos. It's a pretty cool spot to come and check out. Hey guys, we have just left our little caravan park to come and check out Port Douglas, and we are currently at Mossman Gorge. You have to drive here and then you go in and you pay for a ticket for a family for it's $30.90, and then you have to catch an electric bus into Mossman Gorge, as there are elders of this rainforest that live here. So out of respect, you have to hop on the bus. The oldest rainforest in the Daintree. It has pathways and everything for you, and look out, a suspension bridge which the kids absolutely loved. It was bouncing around like crazy, but it is absolutely beautiful walking through there.
You can swim there too, but today they had signs up saying swimming not recommended, I think due to the bit of rain we've had, and it was a bit murky and things up there, eh?
Yeah, usually it's pristine and crystal clear, but a lot of the rain has
made it murky.
Yeah.
Anyway, worth a look. Mossman Gorge, not too bad.
Yeah, I don't mind it. He's shaking your head because it's terrible.
Oh yeah, it's so good. You know when things are so good? Caramel and licorice from Capanina? I don't know. I just went best ice cream shop in Port Douglas, and this come up, and so did Wicked ice cream or something.
And it's a gelato laboratory.
Yeah, this one rated the best on TripAdvisor, and I can see why. It's absolutely amazing.
Saving for a helicopter.
We've just left Ellis Beach and we are heading up to Cape Tribulation. We are just waiting for the ferry. It's our first ferry crossing. It's going to be pretty cool with the van.
Yeah.
We just missed it.
I know, we just missed it.
And now that we've crossed the ferry, we've got 35 k's to Cape Tribulation itself, and we're booked in to stay at Cape Tribulation camping ground, which I think tonight they do pizzas. I don't know if that's every night, but I think Friday and Sundays at least they do pizzas there. And
what a dream
to
for
the lady
you.
earlier. Yeah, awesome. Check out the rainforest.
This is amazing. It's like straight into rainforest.
You get off the ferry, it's absolute beautiful rainforest.
These roads are so windy and so tiny. We are literally rubbing up against trees and scrub. And if we were to pass another van on a corner, I don't know that we'd make it. Oh wow, there's not even lines on this road. That's how tiny it is. Wow. We have made it to Cape Tribulation camping ground, and it is adorable. We have set up We have a little campfire going with some chairs around it underneath a tree with some festoon lighting. There is a little bar area here with a TV, and they do pizzas every weekend from 5 till 8, some wood-fired pizzas. So I'm pretty sure Owen's going to be hitting that up tonight, even though we have loads of food. There's a camp kitchen and amenities. We have power and water, and I can see the beach. It is just there. And the lady told us that someone today in the creek next door saw 3 crocodiles. So we want to go and see some in the wild. So we're going to head down there later, probably tomorrow, and check them out. I think she said low tide, she said. So we'll head there and see if we can see some crocodiles in the wild. Hey.
Yeah.
Said to shut the door to the kids, and you're the one that bloody leaves
Watch
it
out,
open.
the mozzies will get in.
You're unbelievable.
It's alright, it's only Cape Tribulation, so they're only about 4 times as big as usual. And if they don't get you, the crocs will. So
yes.
We're all good.
We are on for a beach fire.
I get to use my axe. Woo! How manly. Hunter-gatherer that I am.
Oh my goodness.
But yeah, there's a few people with campfires down by the beach.
Yeah.
And it's magic.
Yeah, there's like, well, I can see 4 at the moment. You're allowed to have beach fires here, so we might come and do that for sundown tomorrow. Morning guys, excuse the dirty top. I've literally just left the caravan park and I'm already dirty. Unbelievable. But we are heading down the main road through the Daintree National Park, and we are heading north. We've just hit dirt and we're going to go exploring maybe Imogen Creek and check out what that is. But we've just come past this epic sign. No caravans and trailers allowed, so luckily we don't have our caravan on, but we've just lowered the tire pressure in the car and we're going to hit this dirt track, a few potholes along the way, and go check out Imogen Creek and see what it's all about.
So we're out exploring today. We started on the Bloomfield track, which links up Cape Tribulation to Cooktown. We're not going to do the whole thing, I don't think, but we definitely could. Like, the 4-wheel drive track so far has been pretty cool. We did find this beach though. We've just stopped off. There's a few stops along the way and we have it all to ourselves, which is awesome.
Wrong shoes to wear.
The best shoes to wear.
And colour.
Right, peeps?
Yep. Don't wear white in the rainforest.
And wear shoes?
And wear proper shoes.
I thought it was a fish at first, and then I was like, oh my god, that's a turtle. Can I pick it up?
So cute. We are at Imogen Creek. We've headed north on the Bloomfield track from Cape Tribulation camping ground. And just before the first creek crossing, you pull over to the left and there's a track that will bring you here. It's probably about 500 meters through the rainforest. But the water is stunning. It is so clear. The outlook's awesome. You're literally swimming in the rainforest. Best thing about it, there's no crocs.
Yeah, first. Yeah, because if there's crocs, I don't want to get eaten. You get eaten and I'll get.
Come on, go, buddy.
It's weird that 100 meters that way is a croc sign, but you can't be, there's no crocs. Go!
Yeah.
Woo!
Ready?
No, Cove is up. You're late comer.
You want me to come in? This is just a quick little dive in.
I'm the only one with shoes on.
The king. bringing me down. Oh.
We're gonna go spot the local crocs down in a little creek down here. They saw 3 of them yesterday, so fingers crossed we get to see at least one. Apparently it's 4 meters long. So let's go check it out.
So head down the end of the beach next to Cape Trib camping. There's a couple of signs and a boat ramp down here apparently. And opposite the boat ramp is where you go.
Are they all 4 meters long? Is there crocs in here?
You've got to look on the other side of the bank too.
Oh, I already see one.
Where?
Over there.
Oh wow.
Oh.
Fucking huge.
Holy shit!
I see
Well done. What do you got?
He's just there. There we go, look, I don't know if you can see it on the GoPro, but he's just there.
So it might be super hard to see on the GoPro, but just on the other side of the riverbank is at least a 4-meter croc in the wild. This is like a makeshift boat ramp next to us, just down from where we're staying, and yeah, just brings it all home that, I don't know, it's real, we're in the wild. We're literally not at a croc farm, but this is the real thing. Apparently 3 crocs were spotted here yesterday, and I'm looking around frantically like, shit, there could be more near me. Hopefully they're all out getting some sun. But yeah, this is Cape Tribulation, the Daintree.
So
Yeah, that works.
You see him?
He's so big.
Oh, my hand won't stay still enough.
Alright, we are just heading to the Daintree.
Ice cream company.
Yes, we've heard it is amazing. They have all their fruit is grown on their property, and then they use that fruit in their ice cream. It's all locally sourced fruit from here, so it's meant to be pretty amazing.
And they got sorbet for you.
And I have sorbet for me.
Win-win. So what did
I knew that word.
Coconut is
Sour salt. Apparently it's like a pink lemonade.
Well,
Could you have somebody leave?
thanks.
My parents' house is so bad.
Thanks.
Good.
Pretty epic, yeah.
Oh, lucky I made you
No,
drink.
you did get it, yeah.
Garden.
Oh, it's good.
Hey guys, we are done in the Daintree, and it was an epic campground. And if you ever get the chance to have a chat to the lady that owns it,
Jackie.
she is so full of information. She has done so many things. Oh, I could sit there and talk to her for about a week, I reckon, about everything that she knows. But epic campground, Cape Trib camping. We will put the link below for you. Amazing campground. We have dumped the caravan with Jackie at Cape Trib camping, and it's $5 a night, which was amazing. And we are now swagging it on our way to the tip.
We're heading to Lakeland. We're gonna stay there the night and then hopefully get up to Cohen tomorrow. So tomorrow we hit the dirt. It's exciting. Don't know what to expect, but the car is packed to the brim. We nearly left a kid behind just to fit it all.
Honestly, we had to push the boot down. It is so full, and we even have the fridge in the back here with the boys. They even have things under their feet. We
knew it was going to be tight though.
Yeah.
We don't have a canopy. We just got the hard back on the ute. So yeah, we knew it was going to be tight. It is what it is. We'll make it work. That's what we do.
100%. That's it. Make sure you like, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel to follow us along, not only on this journey but every other journey we have done and are going to do.
If you like Mummy's videos, hit like and subscribe and we'll make more.
And it has awesome. Hey guys, we have made it to Camp Tribulation. Sorry. Ugh. Babe.
No, like on the
Fashion.
No style in it. Or this is the style, one or two, I'm not sure.